Hey, what's up guys? I'm Vinnie Hobbs from VHpost.tv, and today I'll be showing you a few tips and tricks that I use in Adobe Premiere that will help you edit faster and more efficient. My personal favorite shortcut to use is enabling and disabling clips. Now I use this a lot to see clips before and after they come back from color, VFX, you name it. As you can see here, I like to use Shift E to disable and enable the clips in my timeline. I really liked using this shortcut for the Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion video, WAP.
Give me everything you got, put this wet and gushy. Beat it up.
I was able to quickly see the VFX clips coming in back and forth, side by side easily, and also the color corrected clips that came in, and a bunch of other new clips that I had to see before and after. Very quick to get this process done smoothly. I find it very helpful to customize your own personal shortcuts to maneuver quickly and more intuitively in Adobe Premiere. This may help with any really big project that's coming your way. Again, I'm Vinnie Hobbs from VHpost.tv. Thanks for tuning in, and see you on the next one.